So this is how we use our vocoder. This is the vocal.
I think that we're going down.
And we have a Serum right here, which is a saw, an init preset actually. And the Serum is playing the chords of this track. And we are linking it to the vocoder right here. External, audio input, 68 Serum. And from here we have the vocoder.
I think that we're going down.
So if you change the input sound from the Serum, it will also change the sound here with the vocoder. And from here you can play with the dry wet knob to change it to your needs. And in the end you have this.
I think that we're going down.
Again, this was the dry signal.
I think that we're going down.
Good luck.